lovely teachers, honorable management, and my beloved friends and parents. I wish you a 74th Independence Day to all. Independence Day is a blessed occasion to all our Indians because it is a very important day for Indian citizens as it is mentioned forever in the history. We pay tribute to all those great Indian and great freedom fighters who gained independence, but not from the Britishers, but by their struggle, their sacrifices and their braveness. Let me ask a very simple question that what does this day teach us? Do you have any idea? Yeah, the sacrifices made by them, the honesty, the motto which is known as Satyameva Jayate, yes. But the leading point is that the unity, the power of unity which made the Indians to come together and fight against those Britishers, and hence we
जो चमक है सचमुच में आपको किसी भी क्रीम से
I wish everyone a very happy 74th Independence Day. I hope everyone is safe and healthy. As we live in a multilingual society, I would like to have your permission to speak in English as well as in Hindi. सबसे पहले मैं आज़ादी की जंग से लेकर आज तक जितने भी वीर वीरांगनाओं ने देश के लिए अपनी जानों की कुर्बानी दी है उनको सलाम अदा करती हूँ। और इस बीमारी के कारण जितने भी डॉक्टर्स, पुलिस और सैनिक जिन्होंने भी अपनी जानों की परवाह नहीं की उनके लिए नमन करती हूँ। और जो भी इस बीमारी के कारण अपनी प्राणें गंवा चुके हैं उनके लिए भावपूर्ण श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करती हूँ। और कुछ लाइनें हैं हमारे देश के लिए कि दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, रखना अभिमान इसका जब तक दिल में जान है, रखना अभिमान इसका जब तक दिल में जान है। थैंक यू।
सबसे होनहार obedient
teachers and my dear friends and parents. Myself Tatikonda Karthik wishing you all a very happy 74th Independence Day. Firstly, I would like to talk something about my school. My school has taught me everything like proper education, good knowledge, discipline, accepting challenges and accepting mistakes, etc. etc. My teachers, especially my class teacher Sauda ma'am, her non-stop support and motivation, and all my teachers who taught me from junior KG to 10th standard, and all management members and our beloved principal ma'am Uma ma'am will always have a special place in my heart. School is temple, teacher is God. It is not just a thought which is written on school's blackboard, but I believe it is a universal fact. And I thank to my entire school team for making me stand here today in front of you all.
Good morning to one and all. Respected chief guests, all the dignitaries on the dais of the dais. It's my extreme privilege to introduce today's our chief guest, Honorable Shri Bhimnath Raju. Sir was born on 13th Feb 1977 in Bhiwandi. Sir is popularly known for his construction work, Bhargav Enterprises. He is also known the active participants of social work. He worked as a president of Yuva Shakti Samajik Sanstha. At the same time, he worked as the active member of Padmashali Telugu Samaj and also served as an advisor of Bhiwandi Telugu Samaj. As I told you, Sir is well known for his construction work. He constructed many popular buildings and developed venture in Solapur with the name Krishna Park, which is situated near airport on the way to Hyderabad Express Road. Let's have a look on his family background. Sir has 2 sons and a daughter. And one of the most important thing is that all 3 children educated in Vivekanand English Medium School. Sir has set an example that our school is the best. By nature, sir is very humble and polite, always welcomes everyone with his appealing smile. We could not forget his part in Sharda Education Society. He played various roles, director, and now currently he is playing a very major part. Especially it is quite important for the teacher's point of view. He is as a cashier. So sir, we welcome you from the Vivekanand English Medium School. So give a huge round of applause for our today's very special chief guest. Thank you.
Today is a very special day for all of us, as thousands laid down their lives so that the country breathed today. We will never forget their sacrifices. Today, on the behalf of my family, I am here to thank the management committee, teaching and non-teaching staff for giving so much respect and honor to my father and giving him an opportunity to host the Indian national flag. This is not only a special day in my father's life, but also a special day in my life.